Good morning. I'm Robert McMahon from Sydney, Australia. I'm an energy efficiency auditor, and I'm here today to talk about energy auditing. I will cover why conduct an energy audit, how can I reduce your energy costs, what are the benefits of an energy audit for you, and what does it cost you to run an energy audit, and a little bit about myself. I'm an energy efficiency expert. I'm a professional engineer, fully qualified. Behind me I have a team of other engineers and specialists. So altogether we have over 100 years of energy auditing experience that we can bring to your business. We have experience in the fields of electrical, mechanical, air conditioning, building equipment, marine, motor vehicle, all kinds of experience. Now this can be yours. If we do an audit for you, we can bring all this expertise, and I can draw on other experts if we require them. Now, first thing in an energy audit is to take an inventory of all the existing plant and equipment in your facility. That means listing all the lighting, all the electric motors, all the plant, all the equipment, the hours that it runs, the size of the equipment. We do that. We review your electricity and gas and fuel bills. That means we, from the authorities or from the bills, we can get your bills for the last 2 or 3 years, as much as we can get. We can look at them monthly, graph them. We can look at them weekly. We can look at them daily. So we can graph, and we do graph the use of your equipment over these periods. We can see long-term trends. We can see faults. You know, you can be going along having everything's going normal and things look different on the graph, then it indicates there's a fault to investigate. So using the graphing profiles, we can see if you're working efficiently. We can use them as a diagnostic tool, and we can identify also the primary uses of your energy, how much percentage you're using for lighting, how much for heating and air conditioning, how much for your other plant and equipment, how much for your office equipment, how much for your process equipment, how much for your boiler, hot water, and so on. And out of that we can identify opportunities for you to save money and save energy. And having established whether you've got the best deal, we can compare your deal with other deals in the market, and we can see if you're getting your energy at the best rate from your present supplier, and whether you're using your equipment, maximising the off-peak rates to your best advantage. And lots of fine points about in the fine print of your contract. Make sure you're getting the best deal. Now that could save you, say, 20% of your costs already if you're not getting the best deal. That's just an example. So from the graphing we can identify inefficient energy consumption. We can show malfunctions. You know, the graphs will indicate what's normal and what's not normal. We can identify misuse of equipment. If staff are misusing equipment, you know, it shows up like a malfunction, and you can pick that, correct it, and then you can of course identify saving opportunities, and that's where you make the money, the saving, quantifying the energy saving improvements. We can establish, we've already established whether you have the best deal, and the costs you can save, which are generally, for buildings that have been around 10 or more years, 30% is quite common, and some are even higher, up to 50%. Others might only be 20%, but 30% is a general benchmark. What the audit costs is very low in relation to the savings you can make, so it's a very small percentage of your savings. It's well worth your while to have an audit. Now, just a couple of case studies to give you some examples. In a Sydney office building, the audit showed that the air conditioning was running all night, and when it shouldn't have been, and that was fixed by fixing a controller, which cost about $700, and this saved the client some $15,000 a quarter in their electricity costs. Huge saving. That was shown up on the graph, and quickly found and rectified. Another case, we had an audit done, and we noticed the client wasn't aware of this, but we noticed that the load was coming on early in the morning at 5 in the morning when the people didn't start work till 9. So we had a look at that, and we found the cleaners were switching all the air conditioning and lights on at 5 o'clock in the morning, so they're running 3 or 4 hours in the morning when they were not required. That was costing the client a lot of money. The client was able to adjust that and save substantial amount of money. Now the energy engineers will save you 30%, I said. That's a generic number, but it's around about right, of those high energy and power bills. We'll give you a list of low cost and no cost measures that you can take to save money. It might be as simple as educating staff and doing a few simple things, low cost measures, and also the measures that might require some capital. In that case, we'll do a cost benefit analysis for you, show you the payback period if you do the improvements. Now you can make a appointment. Just ring us at 029 660 8142 in Sydney, Australia, or you can send me an email at savingsenergyconservation.com.au, and we'll be pleased to discuss your situation and make an appointment to come out and see your premises, do an audit. Or on the other hand, if you some cases we recommend an online audit where you send us all the information. We'll analyse it in the back office and send you the results. But of course an on-site audit is more comprehensive, and of course we look at the equipment, but send us the other alternative is to save money, might be to just do an online audit, which we can do that also. So I'll look forward to see you. Get in touch with us. Bye for now, and hope to see you when we do your audit. Bye bye.